Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Account Security Checkup with 2FA step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Google Account sign-in page. Enter your Google account email address and click Next. Type in your password and click Next again. Once you're logged in, find the Security tab on the left sidebar. Click on Security to access your security settings. Scroll down until you see the Ways we can verify its use section. Locate the two-step verification option and click on it. You may be prompted to enter your password again for security reasons. Once in the two-step verification settings, click on Get Started. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your preferred second step. You can choose from options like SMS codes, Google prompts, or an authentication app. If you choose SMS codes, enter your phone number and click Next. You will receive a text message with a verification code. Enter the code in the provided field and click Next. If you opted for Google prompts, ensure your phone and account are linked. For authentication apps, follow the instructions to scan the QR code or enter the setup code. Once you've successfully set up your second step, click Turn On. Review your settings and options for recovering access to your account. Consider enabling backup codes as a fallback option. With that, your two-step verification is now active. Return to the security page to review your overall security status. You can run a security checkup to ensure everything is secure. Congratulations, you have successfully set up Google Account Security Checkup with two-factor authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.